Jade Cruz, who is in her 20s and is from Kumintang Ilaya in Batangas City, started identifying as a trans person when she was around 12 years old.
Growing up, I don't have the father figure, so it's hard for me na aralin kung paano maging isang lalaki. And growing up, I was surrounded by gays, a lot of gays, trans, because yung lola ko po ay may parlor, and pagka po wala sila mama, kay lola po ako naiiwan, then si lola po pag may ginagawa or busy, sa mga bakla po ako naiiwan. So, parang na-adapt ko na din po yung environment na meron sila.
The second of 4 kids, Jade said coming out was challenging because her family was very religious.
I actually don't have a came out story. Nalaman lang nila sa ibang tao. My family is a very religious family. Ang tito ko po, 2 pastor. And yung mother and father ko po ay server sa church. Yung buong family mo is a born-again Christian. That is our religion. Bawal po na ganto ganyan, bawal ang malambot, bawal ang mahinhin. And sinasabi po nila na walang ginawang bakla, tomboy, or any gender, lalaki at babae lang.
In 2021, while studying fashion design in Santa Rosa, Laguna, Jade started to transition while she was away from home. But in 2023, when she returned to Batangas, her family actually forced her to be masculine.
2023 po, na nagbalik po ako sa Batangas, doon po ako pinagupitan and pinilit na wag ituloy yung mga gusto kong gawin. Close naman po ako sa family ko actually. And parang ang hirap lang po na every time nakasama ko sila, need kong magpanggap sa sarili ko na I'm David, hindi ako si Jade. Hindi pa rin po nila tanggap. Sinasabi pa rin po nila na magbago-bago ka kasi hindi maganda yan. Nakikita ka sa church, kami na mga magulang mo, ikahiya mo naman kami. Hindi ko din naman po sinisisi na ganun yung napuntahan kong family. Pero mahal ko po ang pamilya ko. Don't get me wrong. Ayan po.
Jade has no plans to leave her church, even if it opposes the very existence of LGBTQIA+ people.
Hindi po ako maalis sa simbahan namin kasi I still have my faith in God na gusto kong patunayan na kaya kong mag-serve, kaya kong mag-give thanks sa Lord kahit trans ako.
Completing a caregiving course, Jade now works as a nursing attendant, but she recalled experiencing trans-related difficulties in school.
Wala naman pong mali sa ginagawa namin. And parang hayaan na lang po nila kami or ako.
Jade thinks it is difficult for transgender people to find love in Batangas.
Hindi mo alam kung seryoso ba sila or are they playing around. Nung last jowa ko po, hindi ko po alam na meron po siyang ibang nakakausap na babae. So, nilat go ko na po siya kasi for me wala naman po akong laban sa babae. Ano pong laban ko ay babae na po yun. Ako po, trans lang.
For Jade, parents who still do not fully accept their LGBTQIA+ children should recognize that these kids need support.
Sana po maintindihan niyo yung sitwasyon ng mga anak niyo. Kasi ang hirap po for us na parang ikinahihiya ka ng pamilya mo. Na natutuwa lang sila pag may nagagawa kang maganda. Then pag wala, kinakahiya ka ulit. Support po natin yung mga anak natin, mga pamangkin. Kasi at the end of the day, baka sila pa yung maging bunga ng success niyan lahat.
Jade wants younger transgender people to know that they are not alone.
Kahit gaano ka diskrimina yung mundo, huwag yung isipin na, hindi ko na kaya. Kaya nyo. Kasi merong mga naniniwala pa sa inyo. If feel nyo na wala kayong pamilya, nagkakamali kayo. We are your family. Yung buong LGBTQ community, support kayo and proud sa inyo.